Here is the star of the show, Miss Frankie.
Me like the way that you hold my body. Me like the way that you touch my body. Me like the way that you kiss my. Yeah. Me like it. Me like the way that he put it.
So my laptop, I've completely messed it up.
No. Never gonna let no girl take him from me. Never gonna let no girl steal him from me. Never gonna let a girl get that close now. I tell him, hey babe, you're too close now. Come here, baby, hey, be my baby, hey, be my baby. Oh. Come on, yeah, come on. In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Okay, you're in New York. Yeah. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it for New York. New York. Yeah. New York.
What is up, beautiful people? Now, people always stop me in the streets, even the streets of New York, and say, hey, aren't you? And I say, yes, it's me, Toolz. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, T-Squad. If you want to be a part of T-Squad, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and share the love on your social media. Share this video to lots more people and give a thumbs up where you can. I also do have a giveaway happening in this series. Just all you gotta do is engage with my content, share it with your friends, and you might be walking away with an espresso Virtuo Pop. Yes, an amazing Virtuo Pop machine. So, welcome to Toolz in the City. I'm on 5th Avenue right now. So, my laptop, I've completely messed it up. I've completely screwed up the battery because it doesn't function without it being connected to the charge. Let's run. Can make it. So I just thought that I would take it to Apple here because Apple in South Africa they want your driver's license, 3 months bank statement, to fix your laptop. I mean, what on earth is that? Like, guys, and that's just to assess. It takes forever for them to assess. So here at Apple, they have a quicker turnaround time because I cannot be without a laptop. The problem is that I'm editing as I go for you guys, and I might be without a laptop for a while. But we're gonna find out and see. I'm at the 5th Avenue, big 5th Avenue Apple store. And let's see what they say. Cross fingers.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
So, unfortunately, I cannot have my laptop repaired in time. It'll take 2 weeks to do. Yeah, and I can't be without a laptop for 2 weeks. That is no bueno. So, yeah, unfortunately. But I've got other plans. I have alternatives of what to do. So, yeah. Let me take you around New York City. These people are not serious. All these stores, except Zara, open at 11 a.m. In South we open up at 9 a.m. They're not serious. And close late too. We close late too. Anyways, I want to go see if Saks is open. Let's hope Saks is open. And I need coffee, and a bagel. Oh, you do them iced latte. I don't know if I should have a cold one or a. Let's do a hot latte, please.
Hot latte?
Yes.
What kind of milk do you like?
Oat milk, please. Yes.
Anything else, ma'am?
That's it. Thank you.
Can I please take your name?
It's Toolz.
I won't pretend that I intend to stop living. I won't pretend you know who I've forgiven. But I can't hate you, though I have tried. I still really, really love you.
Hi, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. What would you recommend between the tuna cotta and the turkey sandwich?
Tuna cotta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because I've heard that both are very popular.
Right, yeah. They're both good, but I like the tuna one. You just want the sandwich?
Just a sandwich. Thank you.
No problem.
But I can't hate you. Oh, I have tried. I still really, really love you. Love is stronger than pride. I still really, really love you. See, it's even wasting my time. For the sun to rise, it's all too clear. It's time to go. Sitting here waiting for you would be like waiting for winter. It's gonna be cold, there may even be snow. I still really, really love you. Love is stronger than pride. I still really, really love you. Oh, love is stronger. I still really, really love you. Love is stronger than pride. I still really love you. Love is stronger than pride. Stronger than pride. Stronger than pride. Stronger than pride.
Not only is that Tiffany store filled with the most amazing jewelry, but it also has the most incredible art. The store is beautiful. And the service there, everyone is like super friendly, like way friendly. Like it's like you're shopping with your friends. The sales associates are amazing. Definitely a must see when you're in New York City. Yeah, Tiffany, because it's newly revamped. They've redone it. So yeah, it's a really stunning store.
Drifting on crystal. I try to run away. There's no escape, you taking tenure in my heart. I can't change how I feel. Try moving on, but
Here is the star of the show, Miss Frankie. Hi, Mama.
Hi guys, I'm on the High Line.
Hi. Smell. Oh.
Look, you can smell these flowers too.
B.
Yep.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah, you don't want that bee to get you, sweetie.
No, these are fine. Frankie, why don't you give the flowers a sniff? Is the bee bothering you? Okay.
Come on, you can keep going.
See the bee? It's pollinating the flower, Frankie. Yeah.
Good.
We look, don't touch the bees.
What is it, Frankie? Yeah.
Come on.
Suddenly she's
I know.
Show me how you feel. We're running out of time. I try to run away, and you retain me. Drifting on past you, and you retain me. I try to run away, and you retain me. My little love, I see your eyes wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotions, I'm finding it hard to be here in the city. I know you feel lost, it's my fault completely.
I really love you. I love you a million times.
I don't recognize myself in the coldness of the daylight. So I ain't surprised you can read all of my lies. I feel so bad to be here and I'm so guilty. I'm so far gone and you're the only one who can save me.
Why'd you feel like that? You know Mummy doesn't like anyone else like I like you, right?
I'm holding on, baby. Mama's got a lot to learn. It's heavy. I'm holding on. Catch me. Mama's got a lot to learn. Teach me.
Mum's been having a lot of big feelings recently. Just like, let me like, I feel a bit confused. And I feel like I don't really know what to do.
My little love, tell me, do you feel the way my past days? When you lay on me, can you hear the way my heart breaks? I wanted you to have everything I never had. I'm so sorry. Feel sad.
I love you back since you gave me
a sexy shot.
Mama's got a lot to learn.
Yeah!
all over me. I love being on my own. I always prefer being on my own than being with people. And I feel like maybe I've been like overcompensating, being out and stuff like that to keep my mind off of it. And I feel like today I'm home and I want to be at home. I just want to watch TV, go to the board, be in my sweats and stuff like that. I just feel really lonely. I feel a bit frightened that I might feel like this as well.
It was so lovely to see my little Dombolo in the flesh and not over FaceTime. It was, oh, she's grown up so much since the last time I've seen her, and it's just so fantastic. Like, just her character and her mannerisms are just insane, and I just, oh, she's adorable. Today was the first time I went to Little Island, which is so cute. I actually think that it would be a perfect first date spot, like to see the sunset on the Hudson, and we walked the High Line, which was lovely. But you know what, the city, you're gonna walk, eh? You're gonna definitely walk. That's for one. That's definitely one. And always keep right. Keep right. Escalators, elevators, sidewalk, keep right. Because people will walk over you. And if you're standing in the wrong space at the wrong time, don't stand next to each other on the escalators. Keep right, single file, so that the people that are walking fast will be able to get past you. That's the exact reason. So, yeah. Tomorrow, there'll be more adventures, and you can watch that adventure right here. And I will see you in that video. But if not, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. I do have that giveaway still up for grabs. All you gotta do is engage with the comments, share these videos with your friends, and share it on your social media, and you could be walking away with an espresso virtuo pop. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, good night, God bless.